I was told of this place with captured ancient stuff. We're not going to be able to escape in that vehicle. Oh my God. New way in. Let's try plan B. The trailer's not of much use. It's a hybrid. Uh-oh, political stuff. We're not going in that direction. Ghosts hanging from the trees. Ah, look at this place. Oh my gosh. We better go around back. Oh, they say it's haunted. I mean, look, we got faces and such. Old bicycles, broken ladders. Me hobbling around. Oh, this backyard looks pretty scary, man. It looks like a haunted high school across the street. We're definitely not escaping that way. R2-D2's monster cousin. Let's see if we can zoom back out. Oh my God, look at this place. Oh. I'm definitely not going in the shed. The haunted pond and waterfall. Oh my goodness. What is this? We'll take a gander. A cauldron of doom. Oh, it gets worse, doesn't it? Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The haunted pool. With scary tree. What creature burrowed a hole underneath? Could be trolls down there. Oh my goodness. What could be back here? Scoob! It's the mystery mobile. We're definitely not getting away in that car either, man. We better zoom in. Oh God. Alright. Let's see. I thought I heard a door open. I heard a door open. I heard a door open. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What's this? Stay tuned for part 2. Haunted Tales from the Black Hole. Yeah, maybe we'll stiff inside. Yes. Hey, Laurie. All right. This is going to be good. Stay tuned.